Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to reset and fix most common issues on a Citizen EcoDrive radio controlled U600. The first step is to pull the crown to position 1 and rotate the crown to put the watch in chronograph mode, CHR. Pull the crown to position 2 and wait for all the hands to stop moving. Press both the upper right button and lower right button at the same time. Press and hold the upper right button for 2 seconds until you see CHA on the left screen. Now rotate the crown clockwise and anti-clockwise to face the hand of the small charge level indicator dial to EUR or directly facing downwards. Press the upper right button one time and now turn the crown clockwise and anti-clockwise to show midnight time on the small UTC dial, that is, both the hands vertically facing upwards. Press the upper right button one time. Now turn the crown to face the hour hand and the small hand of the 12-24 hour vertically upwards. Press the upper right button one time and now repeat the same for the minutes hand. Push back the crown to the 0 position to exit the reset settings. Now you can set the date and time normally on this watch. Here is a video to help you doing that. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel.